the price of Milady has skyrocketed massively to the upside since our last video, and in this video we're going to be looking at the Milady price update for today. We're going to be looking at the altcoin total 3 market cap. We're going to be looking at the BTC dominance in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect. As you can see, the dominance is already correcting. That's why our altcoin is having a little bit of fresh air. We are going to be looking at the fear and greed index. We are going to be looking at the Milady price on coin market cap. We are going to be looking at this BTC price chart. This price chart is very important in order to give you a clear picture of when the market is about to explode. Milady has risen more than 340% since this year. That's massive. This month 1.3%, this week 53%. Crazy, like seriously. Now let's just look at Milady real quick on coin market cap. The price is currently at 0.000002109 and we are up 6.4% in the last 24 hours. Trading volume is looking good. We are gradually making our way back to the upside. We are currently at 68% in trading volume for Milady, for Lady's project, and as you can see, the price of Lady has steadily been in an uptrend in the last 24 hours. That's massive, like seriously. In the long run, expect to see Milady at 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion dollar market cap very soon, by the time we enter a full-blown altcoin season, like seriously. Now if you're looking at the fear and greed index, we are currently at 76%, which is indicating extreme greed. We closed yesterday with extreme greed 76%. We are currently at 76% as of today. So fingers crossed. Hopefully we should close this week with extreme greed, begin the next week with another extreme greed in order to prepare us quickly to the upside. If you're looking at the BTC dominance chart, I've shown you guys this chart times without number. I told you the moment we start seeing a correction, I think in my most recent videos, I specifically told you guys I'm expecting a correction for BTC from around 56%, for BTC dominance, sorry, from around 56% zone. When it got to that 56% zone, which happened to be the top of this trend line, you understand, you're saying of this upward channel you're seeing right here, we got a correction from there as predicted, and we are currently at 54%. Now BTC just the BTC dominance just dropped a little bit and our altcoin are already pumping to the upside. Now imagine what will happen by the time we start seeing the BTC dominance drop to 52%. Imagine what will happen by the time we see the BTC dominance drops to 47%. Like our altcoin market is going to go ballistic, like seriously. Now, just imagine what will happen if we drop to as low as 42%. 42% is my personal price target for the BTC dominance. Now, if it goes below 42%, the better. It's going to be super explosive for our altcoin market. But if you're not in any altcoin position now, you're doing yourself more harm than good, like seriously. The moment you start seeing 52% is an indication that we are already approaching altcoin market. And the moment you see 47%, then the altcoin market is already in a ballistic mode. Let's look at Milady price. Now this is the price chart for Milady. What happened after we flipped the previous resistance zone? What happened after we broke through it? We flipped it into a clean support. That is a confirmation that the price is likely to head further to the upside. Now Milady is following this projection, and we are currently, we might head to 0.000023 zone very soon. And the moment we are flipping that 0.000238882 into a support, then expect Milady to easily get to the next price target around 0.0027. We still have another price target above here, but we'll get to that by the time Milady flip the 0.000023. So let's leave that aside for now. If you're paying attention to the total 3 altcoin market cap, we haven't even break past our previous all-time high market cap, which was around $1 trillion. We are still way below it. We are currently trading at around $700 billion in market cap for the total 3 altcoin, excluding Ethereum. The support zone was around $643 billion, which happened to be a very, very significant zone. As long as we are not losing that support zone, I don't see the altcoin market going bearish anymore. The bull season has already kick-started. I think I've screamed this to you guys times without number. Let's just look at this BTC chart. If you're paying attention, I've shown you guys this chart countless times. After the 2012 halving, we got a massive push of almost 9,000% for BTC price. After the 2016 halving, we got a massive push of almost 3,000% for BTC price. After the 2020 halving, we got a massive push of almost 600% for BTC price. The biggest question and the biggest concern now is how many percent pump are we expecting for BTC price since we've already gone past the halving period, which happened in April. Now, if BTC should pump just 100% from the current price of $70,000, then we should expect $140,000 dollar price for BTC. And if it should pump 200%, then it's going to be massive for BTC, like seriously. Going to be very massive. $200% should take it to over $200,000. This is an indication that you are still very, very early to the rally, early to the game, early to the pump. So there's no point of selling your Milady when the market hasn't even begun her pump. Milady hasn't even broken her previous all-time high. The previous all-time high is yet to get broken for Milady. So there's no point of selling your bag before the real major rally begins. There's no point at all. It's not wise. As long as the community support for ladies continues to increase, as long as the memes continue to roll out, the utility and the rest, just know this project is going to $1 billion very, very soon. $2 billion, $3 billion, even $4 billion is possible. Very, very possible. As always, my name is Isaac. Please invest the amount you can afford to lose. Like this video if you haven't already. And subscribe to my channel in case you're new. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. As always, peace out.